What's up, y'all? Show y'all my new find from Facebook Market page. This is a 1984 Johnson 6 horsepower. I bought it from a guy. He is the original owner, garage kept. He said it might have 20 hours on it. He thinks around 15. Look at this motor, all original paint. The prop, no scratches. It's just immaculate. All the writing still on the tiller handle. I mean, for being almost 36 years old, this thing is like a brand new motor. Take a look underneath the hood. 2 cylinders, the carburetor. Everything is just so clean, not full of gunk. It's just barely used. It's amazing. And I got such a good deal on it, man. Well taken care of. One of the best motors made, if you ask me, in that era was the Johnson and the Evinrude. Now this motor, it hasn't been started in years. I was kind of concerned about that, but the guy told me that every time he stopped it, he drained the gas, he ran the gas out the carburetor, and so it never sat with gas in it. Let's see what it's got. Put it on start. Oh yeah. It's pissing good. Yeah, I'm telling you, this thing's like brand new. It's amazing. It's so quiet too. That's why these motors were the best. Fucking 36 years old. Fucking starts right up. I mean, come on, dude. Did I fucking get a good deal? What? $500 bucks. $500, dude. That's it. I'd rather have this than a brand new freaking Honda.